Hi, this is Pratham from Fibr, and today I'll be taking you through audience personalization. Now, it sounds tacky, but it's a very simple and a very important use case when it comes to CRO. What CRO? Conversion rate optimization, conversions, and revenue optimization, whatever you want to call it, which will lead to better results through your website. Here, I am on my dashboard, my Fibr's dashboard, and I'm in the audience personalization section. Now, I'll create a new campaign for a simple website, opendoor.com. Let me name it as test open door audience personalization. Yep. You can name it anything you want, and let's create. It's just a two-step process where I'll select the audience, the parameters in which I want to segregate the traffic, and then I'll create a variant of this website. Now for audiences, I'll be taking a very important use case, which is geolocation. In this, I'll be taking different cities, states, countries, whatever I wish. So anyone searching from that particular city will be seeing the variation which I have just created. So let's take New York, for example. And here it is. Now I've selected New York. I'll save this. And I'll create a variant for Open Doors website. As you can see, it's a pretty sweet, it's pretty smooth website, and I'm able to edit everything here. Let me show you how. So get your, or let's take fulfill your NY dream. Like this. And grab the best offers on apartments in New York City today or right away. Anything you wish. I can even play with the font sizes here if I want to adjust it in 3 lines, 2 lines, whatever I wish. Now let's change the color of the CTA. I can change it to any color I wish. Let's play with red. So change this. I can also change the image here. I have a demo image which will be looking like this. Okay, apply to all, and here it is. So it's I know that New York doesn't have such small story buildings or such tiny buildings, but yeah, you can take any image you want here. And once that is done, I can also review all these changes. Let me go here, and I can do the same for my mobile if you wish. If you want to segregate audiences based on mobile, this is also possible. Otherwise, press finish. And there's always an option to track events. You can track events through the CTA button here. You can also track other events like bounce rates, scroll depths, whatever you wish. Once this is done, we'll be back to our dashboard page. And on the dashboard page, I'll be able to see the changes. I'll be able to edit those changes. I can preview the same on mobile or desktop. I can also set the hold out, which just means that how many users I want on this page and how many on the original page. And I can select a new GTM metric, or I can create my own metric from here. We already have one, you just require one of them. And after all this is done, just press start. Once you start, the campaign is live. Now whoever searches Open Door from New York will be seeing the variation which I just created. And imagine if you are able to do this on scale for hundreds of cities, hundreds of different states or countries in one. All that is possible. Comment below and I'll show you how this is done in the next video. Stay tuned.